Antarctica plays a crucial role on this planet. Its ocean is a major carbon sink, it provides nutrients to all other oceans, and it regulates the climate. Antarctica's species and ecosystems drive this functionality. In today's children's workshop, we learn about the Antarctic food web and its fascinating species. And we're creating an artwork together. And this artwork has a message. Protect Antarctica. Every species counts.
Before this workshop, I never really thought about Antarctica and the animals there. After this, I'm more aware about things. I think it's a really nice thing that people from all around the world come and, have a meeting about how to save the animals and the whole continent as in.
അന്റാർട്ടിക്കയിലെ പെൻഗ്വിനും മറ്റ് സ്പീഷീസുകളെ കുറിച്ച് കൂടുതൽ അറിയാനും അവയുടെ ആവാസവ്യവസ്ഥ എപ്രകാരം നമ്മോട് ചേർന്ന് കിടക്കുന്നതാണെന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിയാനുള്ള ബോധം ഈ ക്ലാസ്സിലൂടെ ലഭിച്ചു.